నమస్కారం అండి అందరికీ. దిస్ ఈజ్ రాజేశ్వరి ఫ్రమ్ ఎన్టీఆర్ గవర్నమెంట్ డిగ్రీ కాలేజ్, assistant professor of mathematics. I will teach for first sem first year students. So far what we have discussed, topic name is, main topic is partial derivatives. So in that limits, continuity of two variables, next partial derivatives, next partial derivatives at two variables. So today I am going to discuss about some problems on partial derivatives. Okay, first question is, if z is a function of x and y, if x power x and y power y, z power z equal to c, then and the condition is x equal to y equal to z, then show that dou square z by dou x dou y equal to minus 1 by x into log of x, log of x e whole power minus 1. సో దీనికోసం మనం ఏం చేయాలంటే, ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ డిఈ ఫార్ములాస్ అండ్ పీడిఈ ఫార్ములాస్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు థరో ఇట్. ఓకే, చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతాయండి ఆ ఫార్ములాస్, మాత్రం కంపల్సరీ నేర్చుకోవాల్సిందే. సో వాట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ హియర్ ఇన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్, గివెన్ దట్ z is a function in x and y. Okay, x and y, and also given that x power x, y power y, z power z equal to c, constant. So take a logarithm on both sides. So log of x power x, y power y, z power z equal to log c. We know already formula of logarithms. Log of ab equal to log a plus log b, and log of x power m equal to m into log x. So we are using these two formulas in present problem. So log of ab, log a plus log b, so log of x power x plus log y power y plus log z power z equal to log c. Next, x into log x plus y into log y plus z into log z equal to log c. Now partial derivatives with respect to y on both sides. In partial derivatives, if we will do the partial derivative with respect to y, treated x as a constant, and if you partial derivative with respect to x, we will treat it as a y as a constant. Okay, so with respect to y means x is a constant. The first term is 0 plus uv method. So y into log y, derivative of log y is 1 by y into y plus log y into derivative of y is 1. Okay, plus z is a function of x and y. So you again applying the uv method, z into 1 by z into dou z by dou y plus log z into dou z by dou y equal to c, equal to 0. Sorry, take the 1 plus log y plus dou z by dou y is take as a common, 1 plus log z equal to 0. Dou z by dou y, 1 plus log z equal to 1 plus log y. Therefore dou z by dou y equal to minus of 1 plus log y by 1 plus log z. Okay, similarly if you do the partial derivatives with respect to x, again what will get, dou z by dou x equal to minus 1 plus log x by 1 plus log z. Why here directly taken, it is a symmetric function. Okay, what we have to prove, dou square z by dou x dou y. Yes, so again partial derivative with respect to x on both sides. Dou square u by dou x dou y equal to minus dou by dou x of 1 plus log y by 1 plus log z. Okay, So again applying the UV method, 1 plus log y by into dou by dou x of 1 by 1 plus log z. Derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. So applying here dou by dou x of 1 log z, 1 plus log y by 1 plus log z whole square, 1 by z into dou z by dou x. Okay. So next 1 by z, take the LCM. Here take the LCM, and condition is x equal to y equal to z. So in place of yz we can replace the x. 1 by x, 1 plus log z into 1 plus log x by 1 plus log x whole cube. So finally what will get? Minus 1 by x into 1 plus log x. Log a base a equal to 1. Therefore log e base e also 1. Therefore in place of 1 log e base e we can write it. So log a plus log b, again log of a plus b. Log a plus log b equal to log a b, sorry. So log x into e power 1 by x means x power minus 1. So finally we will get the answer. Okay. Next question, u equal to x power x, u equal to determinant of x power x, y power y, z power z, x, y, z, 1, 1, 1. Then show that ux plus uy plus uz equal to 0. So for 3 by 3 matrices, what is the determinant? Either take one column or one row, take its cofactors, right? So therefore u equal to x square into y minus z minus y square into x minus z plus z square into x minus y. Differentiating with respect to on both sides. Dou u by dou x equal to 2xy minus 2yz minus y square plus z square. Okay. So take the 2x common, minus 2x into y minus z minus y square minus z square. Again y minus z common, 2x minus y plus z. Therefore y minus z into 2x minus y minus z. Next, differentiating with respect to y on both sides. Dou u by dou y equal to x square minus 2xy plus 2yz minus z square. Okay. X square minus z square minus 2x minus 2y is a common, x minus z, again x minus z, x plus z minus 2y. Next, here u is a function, right? See here in question also, in question itself, u is a dependent variable, x, y, z are the independent variables. Okay. So we have to partial derivatives with respect to x and y, 3 we have to do. Okay. Next one. So here differentiating with respect to z on both sides, dou u by dou z equal to minus x square plus y square plus 2xz minus 2yz. So finally x minus y into 2x minus y plus 2y. What will get finally? X minus y into 2x minus y. So it is a symmetric function, no? So without doing differentiating with respect to y and z, we can get right directly. So ux plus, take the LHS, ux plus uy plus uz. So sum of these, adding the above three equations, so we will get the 0. So finally, what is the answer? Ux plus uy plus uz equal to 0. Okay. Coming to the third problem, if u equal to logarithm of under root of x square plus y square plus z square, then prove that x square plus y square plus z square into dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square equal to 0. Okay, what is given? U means dependent variable on x, y, z. These three are the independent variables. Therefore, u equal to logarithm of under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Or under root means x power 1 by 2 also. U equal to 1 by 2 log of x square plus y square plus z square. Differentiating with respect to on both sides, dou u by dou x equal to 1 by 2 into log x means 1 by x, means 1 by x square plus y square plus z square. Again, in internal, if you do the partial derivatives, 2x, 2x plus 0 means partial derivative with respect to means y and z are treated as a constant. So x by x square plus y square plus z square. Again, a partial derivative with respect to x on both sides. Dou square u by dou x square equal to u by v method. U by v into u dash minus u dash into v by v square. X square plus y square plus z square into 1 minus x into 2x by x square plus y square plus z square whole square. Okay. Simply after simplification, dou square u by dou x square equal to y square plus z square minus x square by x square plus z square whole square. Similarly, if we do, because it is also seems symmetric function, right? So dou u by dou v equal to 1 by x square plus y square plus z square, and dou square u by dou y square equal to x square minus y square plus z square by, without doing the partial derivatives, we can write directly, because it is a symmetric function, x square plus y square plus z square whole square. So similarly, if you do that with respect to z, dou u by dou z equal to z by x square plus y square plus z square, and dou square u by dou z square equal to x square plus y square minus z square by x square plus y square plus z square whole square. So add these three above equations, dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square plus dou square u by dou z square equal to, take the LCM and all those things. Finally, we will get the 1. LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Next one is, if z equal to tan of y plus 2x plus y minus ax whole power 3 by 2, find the value dou square z by dou x square minus a square into dou square z by dou y square. Given that tan of y plus ax plus y minus ax whole power 3 by 2. So first of all, what will find? Dou square z by dou x square, dou square z by dou y square. So dou z by dou x equal to a into secant square y plus ax. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Next, what is the formula for x power n into x power n minus 1? 3 by 2 into y minus x whole power 1 by 2. Okay. Next again do the partial derivatives with x. Dou square z by dou x square equal to a into, again you method secant square x square 2 into x, right? 2 into secant x, secant of a plus y plus ax. Again derivative of secant x means secant x into tan x. So secant square y plus ax into tan of y plus ax, plus again formula, exponent formula. So finally what will get? A square into 2 into secant square of y plus ax into tan of y plus ax, plus 3 by 4 into y minus ax whole power minus 1 by 2. Next, differentiating with respect to y, dou z by dou y equal to secant square y plus ax plus 3 by 2 y minus ax whole power 3 by 2. Y minus ax whole power 1 by 2. Again differentiating with respect to y, dou square z by dou y square equal to same formula, 2 into secant square y plus ax into tan of y plus ax plus 3 by 4 y minus ax whole power minus 1 by 2. Multiply by a square for the above equation. A square minus dou square z by dou y square equal to a square common. Subtracting equation number 1 minus 2, we will get the answer 0. Okay.